Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dennis and I'm the co-founder and lead trader of primetraders.com. We are a full-on day trading community that uses a complete trading system. When I say complete, I mean absolutely everything, especially a specific entry point. But anyway, I don't want to talk about that right now. This video is all about Bitcoin, and I'm going to be going over the monthly chart and explain to you why I believe that there is a really high chance of Bitcoin pushing towards the 20K mark over the next couple of weeks, maybe a month or so. I don't know the time frames, I don't want to guess those things. All I want to tell you is it's very bullish, but it can have spikes towards the downside. We're looking at the monthly chart. The first thing that I'm targeting here is this well, whatever, horizontal line. You can see that Bitcoin has never actually closed above 1,900 on its monthly chart. And that's actually a really important resistance because you can see price action rejecting this very strongly back in June of 2019. But I want to tell you why I think that Bitcoin is going to have a really strong bullish move. And that's because my system tells me so. So what I use is the Fibonacci retracement. And that's when I said a specific entry, we only enter based on the fibs. And the way I use them is, well, this way. I take the top, if momentum is bullish, because it is bullish here, and I take the bottom and I look to enter at 30%, 38.2 or 61.8. Then I use the 100%, 123 and 1618 for key profit targets, but I also use pivot points and so forth to actually locate those profit levels because I trade of the 3-minute chart. That doesn't mean I'm scalping, but I get really good entries that way. You'll see that next time. You'll see that in a different video. For now, I want to show you this. Bitcoin is in a bullish trend, correct? Going up, low, high, which is of course lower than this one, but now we have a lower high. The actual bullish trend, the new one, starts from here. We have a low, high, higher low, and now clearly, even because of this close here back in August 2020, we have a close above the previous one, meaning we're in a bullish trend. Our entry was missed. I'm not looking at the monthly charts that much. But I'm going to set up an account that's just going to focus on the monthly charts, the weekly charts, and the daily chart. Well, the weekly and the monthly, so I can try and find, longer-term trades that are going to run anywhere between 3, 6, and 9 months, maybe even longer. But anyhow, I believe there's a really strong chance that 114 will get broken, possibly before the end of the month. We all know what happened with PayPal last week. That brought my attention to Bitcoin. You can see price action retesting this level right there. See, the 7,000 level, which is pretty much the 38.2 and 30% price action pushed. We had this beautiful little trend line creating the resistance, right? Price action couldn't break above this level. Boom, that's the first push. Price action goes down, very strong momentum towards the downside, strong push, but closes above 30% from bottom to top. Correct? Yep. Price action then creates a new little rejection zone right there, closes above the rejection zone and continues its bullish run and sticks towards the 5 EMA. To me, that indicates a very strong very strong momentum. For example, over here, you can see price action closing strong below the level and holding the 5 EMA, which gives me lots of reasons to continue selling because that indicates, to me at least, a strong bearish run. I expect Bitcoin to close either October or November above the 13,900 and possibly use this level again as a support. But I say possibly. I'm not one of those Elliott wave guys who, well, predicts how the market's going to swing up and then swing down and then go here and then go there and it's eventually going to go there. Those guys are analysts. And frankly, I don't know, well, not even one person who does that who's actually making money. I see a lot of people on Instagram who just ironically today, I was on Instagram, scrolling to traders' accounts, looking for those real traders, which by the way, I can't find fucking any, and that's a big problem. I saw a guy actually fully dressed up. The guy put on a nice t-shirt, put on a hat, and then he laid in bed, covered himself up, took his laptop, and somebody took a picture of him as if he's, trading from bed. So I left him a comment, he deleted it very quickly. I asked him, is this what it takes to be successful? You need to like get dressed up and just go in bed and cover yourself up and take your laptop and boom, money's gonna keep coming at you. The truth is a no, because most of these kind of guys, the Forex, the Bitcoin, the whatever, they're all wannabe traders and they show people this kind of lifestyle which is not real, and people get hooked on it and then they start paying the money. They make money from services. That's how they buy these cars, the watches, the fake stacks of money that you can buy on Amazon. If you just write fake stack of money, you can do the same thing. Just don't do it. You'll be the scum of the earth if you do that. In any case, I like to keep my videos short, anywhere between 7 and 10 minutes. Just as I used to like to keep my sales pitches when I was in the sales industry, short and direct, go over exactly what the client wants to know and cover that up. Like I said, Bitcoin, very strong bullish momentum. We can see price action moving up from the 30 and 38.2. In essence, I would be targeting these two levels. If I were trading, I am buying this, by the way. I started buying it yesterday, Saturday, 24th. I'll show you in a bit why. But if we go down to the 1 hour chart right now, I can show you a potential entry on this trade. Give me a sec. So there's the 1 hour chart. I'll try and show you this myself the way I do it. Let's put on everything that I use. The Dogechain channel I won't. I'm using the free version here of TradingView. I need to set up the full one on my account too, not just on the company account. So let's go indicators. So we got Dogechain channel. We're not going to do that. I don't know why this is not opening. There it is. RSI. Now, because I trade short term, I keep everything short because I really don't care what the market's going to do later on. See, keep it at a 5. So RSI relatively low. You can see it coming from the lows here. It is only the 5, but honestly, all I want to do is make money in the markets. Very, very nice rejection there, and now check this out. Boom. See that? Beautiful support. Furthermore, we see a strong bullish move. And if I take the top, take the bottom, I'm literally exactly where I want to be when I'm buying. And you can see price action. If you really want to get a feel for price action, take this top here and get all of this here. You see this? Price action is rejecting this zone, and then we have a breakout. We're now retesting this level and finding support. We are trading on the weekend. So the market could move a little erratically, but you can see a very nice rejection level forming right there. So if I connect this, boom, you'll see that price action is more or less at this level. You can see this level being a pretty strong rejection last night. There, correct? And you can see price action rejecting this level here again. And it seems to be an important level right now. Now RSI is coming out of the 30 zone, 30 zone, tapping it. So I would be going long here. Now, how would I trade this? What I would do is I would take a long right there. Now, the reason I enter at these levels is because it allows me to keep a tight stop, which I'm going to do to avoid these spikes. These spikes here, especially this one right there, I'll keep my SL there. And I'm going to go all the way up here as my take profit. As you can see, a very short, first of all, the risk reward is 5-1, which is good. If price action goes down, I'll give you a couple of probabilities that could happen or scenarios. If price action pushes down here, stops me out, but rejects this zone again, the 30 and 38.2, I'm going to go long again. This time, again, a tight stop and a strong reward. Now, I do believe that in the coming week, the coming trading week, today is the 25th of October, 2020, I do believe that there is a really high chance of price action pushing towards the 13,900 and beyond. but I'm not the judge or the jury of the markets. I don't decide where the market goes. I just follow it. And if this trade fails and price action shows me indications of downside, believe me, I will reverse my idea because my mission is to make money, not be correct. I'm showing you how I trade. It's been 10 minutes already. I hope this helps you. I showed you the monthly chart and I showed you the trade I've got in the markets right now. Now, I hope this helps you. 5-1. I'll stop the video now and you can revert back to this and check. Check out the date, 25th of October. It's showing you right at the bottom of the screen. 25th of October. This is a live session and this is the trade I'm taking right now. Thank you for watching, guys. You can test out my community for $9.99 if you just go over to primetraders.com. Hope to see you there. What I do there is I make real traders with real skills. I go live for the London session, New York session, webinars. I even give trade ideas out so I can teach people exactly what I'm trading, so I can show them what I'm trading and teach them how to trade like me. Thank you very much. I'll see you later.